Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the top of the male torso using pen and ink. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so for the first step, we're going to begin by making somewhat of an oval shape, and this is going to represent the opening for the neck as well as a shape for the head later on. Next, we're going to make two reference points both on the top of the oval as well as the bottom of the oval. And then next, you're going to use your reference points as a guidance by making two shapes on both sides that are similar to somewhat of triangles. And this is going to represent the trapezius muscles as well as the front of the collarbone / clavicles. And as a quick note, for the clavicles, you want to make it so that the line kind of comes inward slightly and then comes back out while connecting to the other side of the remaining side, which will form the triangle. And then next, going towards the ends of your triangles, we're going to add two reference points, both on the top and bottom portions. And then once done, this should help us in shaping the shoulder / deltoid muscles. And for a better idea, they should look somewhat similar to almonds once added. And then next, we're going to add a hint of the upper chest between the connection of the clavicle and deltoid muscles. And then from here, we'll add a little bit more detail to the back portion of the torso, giving a slight hint of the scapula that kind of pokes out. And then from here we can start adding in the chest, which will connect to where the scapular reference point was, and then once done, we'll connect both ends of the chest, forming the sternum in the middle. Looking at it from this view, the sternum kind of extrudes inwards, if that makes sense. And then next, going back to where we drew our first oval shape, we'll add in the ears on both sides. And this is going to start to form the head slightly. And this next part is optional, but we'll start to add in a little bit of a hint of the eyebrow ridge as well. And also, as a quick note, I did forget to add in the hairline within the video, but I'll have a snapshot of it at the end of the video for you guys later on, so you'll know where to place it. And for the final portion of the video, we'll start to just add in any slight details in our shapes to flesh out more of the muscles. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care everyone.